friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Alfi Nur Ilma Gunawan from 2 class 2D with name C2314201149, undergraduate nursing study program. Here I will present about checking blood pressure. The first introduction. Arterial blood pressure is the force exerted by blood through the arteries to fight each unit or area of the blood vessel wall. Blood pressure measurement by auscultation is the activity of measuring blood pressure through the surface of the artery while using a sphygmanometer and stethoscope. Systolic blood pressure is the blood pressure produced by ventricular contraction. On the measuring device, the person with the highest rattling sound is heart. Diastolic blood pressure is the pressure at the time of ventricular relaxation, the pace of filling the ventricle by blood. On the measuring instrument, the last one with the lowest wave sound is heart. Then there is purpose. Knowing the client's blood pressure and helps determine the balance of hemodynamic factors. Next is scope. Indications are carried out on clients who require blood pressure measurement with various scopes. If the four extremities are fitted with an IV line, then there is a quick measurement and measurement. D. Procedure. Implementation. 1. Make sure the need for blood pressure measurement. 2. Client preparation. 3. Send greetings or see therapeutic communication SOP. 4. Explain to the client about the purpose and procedure of action to be carried out. Preparation of tools. Stethoscope, sphygmanometer with cuff according to the client's age, record vital signs, pen. Environmental preparation. Keep the client privacy by closing the gorin or installing the sampiran. Bring the tools closer to the client. Doing 6 steps of hand washing. Determine the right size of the cuff. Arrange the client's position. If sitting with slightly flexed hands and upper arms aligned with the heart, if sleeping position, arm aligned with the heart. Open and roll the client's sleeve, or pay attention to the roll of the sleeve. Do not press the upper sleeve. Determine and palpate the brachial artery in the lower medial part of the biceps muscle or antecubital area. Make sure the cuff is perfectly deflated. Attach a 2-5 cm cuff above the arterial pulsation, antecubital fossa, and tighten it around the upper arm. Place the arrow on the cuff parallel to the brachial artery. Make sure the manometer is at eye level. The distance between students should not be more than 1 meter from the manometer. Palpation of the brachialis artery. Open the valve to the mercury manometer. And the valve on the balloon. Expand the cuff to a pressure of 20 until 13 mm hemoglobin above the point when the pulse is lost. Place the stethoscope on the ear well and place the diaphragm above the brachial artery. Open the valve on the balloon by opening the valve on the balloon slowly. Make sure the mercury drops at a frequency of 2 until 3 mmHg second. Make sure the manometer point listen when the first sound is clearly heard. Crocktop 1. Mark on what number is the indication of systolic pressure. Listen further. Pay attention to the manometer point when the sound is dim or dim. Crocktop 4. And disappears. Crocktop 5. Mark on what number indication of diastolic pressure. Listen 14 to 20 mmHg from the last sound heard. Flatten the cuff perfectly and remove it from the client. Tidy up the client. evaluation of the client's response to blood pressure measurement, and make a follow-up plan. And tidy up the tools. Wash your hands in 6 steps. And action documentation. The last conclusion. Measuring body temperature has several important benefits, especially in the health sector. Its main benefit is to detect fever and monitor a person's health condition, as well as monitor the effectiveness of treatment abnormal body temperature. Either too high or fever or too low can be an indication of health problems. Here are some specific benefits of body temperature measurement. 1. Fever and disease detection. 2. Health monitoring. 3. Disease prevention. 4. Body temperature monitoring in children and babies. Thus, measuring body temperature is a simple but important measure in maintaining health and detecting various medical conditions. Maybe that's the percentage of measuring blood pressure for me. I hope it's useful and thank you.